How to change the clock face style of your OnePlus Watch 2, and this is without the use of the app connected to your smartphone. So in order to do this, simply while you're viewing the clock face of your OnePlus Watch here, you will long press it like this. So long press, and you'll notice this is going to happen. You can choose to just navigate by swiping over to either direction or tapping on these little arrows here to go over to the next style of clock face. Okay, so you can choose one of these here and just keep on browsing over until you find the style that's right for you. Once you've found the one that you like here, you can tap on it and it will be set to the clock face style that you want. So this here will only show you the ones that you have installed from the app before and those that came with the watch itself. You can choose to edit, and that's going to allow you to change the color here, kind of similar to that of the Samsung watch itself. And then once you're done, just tap on it one time here or press the button there if that doesn't work for you, and that's going to save it there for you. Okay, and when you're done with all this here, you can now have your new clock face. Okay, like and sub.